Hello children, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 1.3 page number 23. Question number 2 is give a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100 and also a closer estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Children, there are two parts asked in this question. First, to give your estimation by rounding off to nearest 100, and second, to give an estimation by rounding off to nearest tens. So let's start with the question. First question is 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Give your rough estimation by rounding off to nearest 100. We have to round off these three numbers to the nearest 100 and give the answer. Now to round it off to nearest 100, we have to see the number at tens and then we have to round the number at 100 place. Now here it is 439. Now the number at tens place is 3 and it is less than 5, so 400 will remain as it is. Now children, here 334. The number at tens place is 3. It is again less than 5. So this 300 will remain as 300 itself. Here the number at 100 place is 3 and the number at tens place is 1. It is again less than 5. So the number 300 will remain as it is. Now we have to add these three numbers. These new values we have to add, rounded off values, that is 300 plus 400 plus 300 plus 4300, that will give you, this is 400 plus 300 700 and 4300 will give you 5000. This you have to do with addition. You can show your addition and then do it. Now here in second part of the question, they are asking you round off to nearest tens. To round off to nearest tens, we are going to see the number at ones place. Now here the tens place, at tens place it is 3 and at ones place it is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we will add 1 in this 3 and the new estimated number will be 440. Here in second question, it is 4 at ones place, so we are going to write this 30 as it is. Now here it is 1 at tens place and 7 at 1 at tens place and 7 at ones place. 7 is greater than 5, so 4320. We will add 1 in this, as it is greater than 5. We will add 1 in this, so it will become 20. Now if you add these 440 plus 330 plus 4320, we will have 5019. Now let's see the B question. 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Rounding off to nearest 100. If we round it off to nearest 100, we have to see the number at tens place. Now here it is 3, so 3 is less than 5. So we are not going to add anything in our 100 place number and we are going to round it off as 700. Now here we have 9 at tens place. So we are going to add 1 in this and it will become 47,600. If you subtract 1,08,700 minus 47,600, you will have 61,100. Okay. Now they are telling you to round off to nearest tens. To round off to nearest tens, we have to see the number at ones place. Here it is 4. So we are not going to change the number here, and we are going to write it 1,08,730. Now here the number at ones place is 9, and so we will add 1. So again we will add 1 here, and it will become 47,600. Now children, you might be confused that how it is. See, if you add 1 in this, it will become what? 59 will become 60, isn't it? So like this. Now here 1,08,730 minus 47,600 will give you 61,130. This is the answer by rounding off to nearest tens. Now let's see C number question. It is 8,325 minus 491. First, we will calculate a rough estimate by rounding off to nearest 100. Now, here at hundreds place it is 3, and we are going to see the number at tens place, that is 2, and it is less than 5. So we are not going to change the number at hundreds place, and we are going to keep it as 8,300. Now here it is 4 at hundreds place, so we are going to see the number at tens place, that is 9. 9 is greater than 5, so we are going to add 1 in this, and it will become 500. Now if you subtract 8,300 minus 500, you will have 7,800. Okay children, now they are telling you to give the rough estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Now to round it off to the nearest tens, we have to see the number at ones place. Now here it is 5 here. So we are going to add 1 in this, so 25 will become 30. And to round off to this number to the nearest tens, here it is 9 at tens place and 1 at ones place, so we are going to keep it as it is, as 1 is less than 5, so we will have 490. Now children, if you subtract 8,330 minus 490, you will have 7,840. We will have 7,840. Now let's see question D. Question D is 4,89,348 minus 48,365. Now by rounding off to the nearest 100, this earlier number will never change children. This number will remain. We are going to write it as it is. Now here 300, we are going to see at the number at tens place, it is 4 here, and 4 is less than 5, so we are going to write 300, and 48 we are going to write as it is. The number here at 100 place is 3 and tens place is 6. It is more than 5, so we are going to add 1 in hundreds place, that will become 400. Now if you subtract 4,89,300 minus 48,400, you will have 4,40,900. This will be your answer. Okay. Now the second part of the question is give the rough estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Now to round off these numbers to the nearest tens, the earlier number till 100 we are going to write as it is. And here it is 8 at ones place. As we have to round it off to nearest tens, we are going to see the number at ones place. It is 8 here, and 8 is more than 5. So this will become our 50. Now again this 48 and 3 we are going to write as it is. Now here at tens place it is 6 and ones place it is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So our 6 will become 70. Now children, if you subtract 4,89,350 minus 48,370, you will have 4,40,980. Okay children, now we will stop here.